Welcome to a new video for the Civil Service Study Guide Part 1. Every year each state has an own responsibility to hold the exam as per schedule only for civil services. First of all, you have to know the basics of the syllabus and all topics which have been included in the preliminary and the mains. So all of you know that the basic topics are history, geography, economics, policy, reasoning, math, English, science. Basic means class 8 to 10 level books as your standard of region belong. It is good to follow the NCERT books basics. I think the for current affairs you should follow the newspapers and also the others books. And now I am today discussing about the complete book list which have to follow for the civil services for state level and UPSC level and for other central government exams. Basically for students who are preparing for staff selection commission and civil service examination, others LIC exams. Okay, so we have to go to the next para and discussing our details. Okay, stay into the video. Okay, so first of all, the complete book list you have to follow for the civil service and other state examination. I have stated again, and it is for English edition. It is for WBCS and Odisha, Jharkhand and Assam state examination, state level civil service examinations. So you have to prepare yourself only for English version. You can follow this. You can also obtain it by regional language, but you should prefer always to English edition. Okay, Indian Geography you should follow the latest edition always. I suggest you Indian World Geography by Arihant Publications, Indian Geography Majid Hossain. And you can follow Bajiram Ram and Raw Studies Indian Geography. Also follow NCERT Geography, Indian History follow should Modern History, Bansal and Tripathi, Indian History Kishan Reddy, and Namit Arora new book Indian History Companion. Or you can follow the Mac book Indian History, or you can follow A New Look at Modern Indian History by S. Chand Publication, B. L. Gurban, Alka Mehta. And you can follow Indian Struggle for Independence, a book. It's also very useful and popular book. Next, for economics, you should study the Indian economy, very useful and very popular now in the market. Nitin Singhania sir book, Indian economy, Ramesh Singh always as very popular book. And you can go for one. I suggest Sriram IAS Indian economy, Flipkart and bookshop, any other bookshop available. Disha Publications books Indian economy compendium, or MacBook Indian economy, Unique Publications book Indian economy book, or basic NCERT books. And Indian polity you should follow only one book, that is M. Lakshmikant NCERT book. Science you should follow General Science and Science and Technology for McGraw Hill Publications, and other General Science and Science and Technology Shamim Sharkar and Sutapakar, Tata McGraw Hill Publications. Science and Technology Rabi R. Agrahari, you can follow also this. And you can follow also it Encyclopedia of Science, Arihant Publications. And now in English, compulsory English for you can study selected computer and contemporary essays, S. Mohan, 121 essays, 151 essays, P.K. Desharkar English Guide, Objective General English by Arihant Publications, very useful book. General English, Tarun Gol, it is also very useful for any other government exams, and you should prepare yourself very thoroughly with these books. Now for numerical ability or mathematics, R.S. Agarwal, General Arithmetic, M. Tyra, First Track Objective Arithmetic, Quick Arithmetic, all from Arihant Publications. Objective Arithmetic, S. Chand. Reasoning, a general approach to verbal and non-verbal, R.S. Agarwal, always very preparable, very popular book. A new approach to reasoning, verbal, non-verbal, analytical. Also, it is very good. You can avail it in Flipkart. 50 practice set reasoning for it is also on Flipkart and other Amazon and other offline bookshops. For current affairs, you should follow Vision IAS news latest editions and Portuguese Darpan monthly. It is not listed here. The Yojana Chronicle. Then you should follow the Hindu, the Times of India, and other regional newspapers. And also you can follow the competition success. If you prepare for WBCS, you can follow the Achievers. Very good book to follow. Okay, that is for today. We are coming in the next video, another topic. So stay with the video. Thank you.